welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and supporting me by watching this video. I'm going to show you how I make my cornbread. So I start off with salt, buttermilk. I have my baking powder as well. It's always good when you're baking to have everything set out so you're not looking for everything like crazy. That's just a tip. I have my butter as well as my eggs and some fine cornmeal. This is a Haitian version that I did use. Did not regret it because everything came out so good. And if you do decide to use these ingredients, please feel free to let me know how it turned out. Did you end up making it for the holidays or just for yourself to test it out? So in the red measuring cup, I have my flour, and in the clear measuring cup, I have my sugar. I was like, you know what, let me just get everything out so I'm not searching like crazy. And in this mixture, I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of cornmeal, 1 cup of sugar, 1 stick of melted butter, 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and about 1.5 cups of buttermilk. So it's always good to butter your pan. It just helps it if you do decide to leave it in the oven for too long. The bottom will still be buttery. It will be good. It won't be burnt. So that's just another tip. So I pour everything into my buttered pan, stick it in the oven. Everything will be in the description box. And this is the outcome. This cornbread came out so good. You see it looks moist. It looks beautiful. Beautiful color as well. If you do, like I said, decide to use the recipe, let me know. Don't be afraid to leave a comment in the comment section or to give it a thumbs up if you like it. Share it, tell your friends. I know the holidays are literally right around the corner, and if you need some more ideas, you're more than welcome to check out my channel. I have a lot of videos on how to make rice if you want to make rice. I have my cornbread video, just some ideas. So don't be afraid to browse my channel, share the channel, and I appreciate you again for taking the time out to watch how I made this simple recipe. Won't take too much time out of your day. And on that note, I will see you next time. Thanks.
In my